Renaming and new concept. Volvo has simplified its lineup, and what was once called the C40 Recharge is now the EC40. That C stands for its coupe-like silhouette, sporty and eye-catching, unlike the boxier EX40. At its core, it's still an all-electric SUV, but with sharper styling and a little extra attitude. Pricing and range. The base model Volvo EC40 delivers an impressive range of up to 577 kilometers, about 359 miles, on the European WLTP cycle, better than many rivals. To put that in perspective, it's roughly 1.5 times the old-school American 1,000-mile benchmark, about 420 miles or 677 kilometers, but under WLTP, it's 577 kilometers. In Europe, pricing starts around €53,075 for the base EC40. That's a bit more expensive than the EX40 and a big step up from the compact EX30, but it's right in line with other premium coupe-style SUVs on the market. My take and fun facts. Personally, I love how Volvo balances Scandinavian minimalism with the EC40's bold design. It's a great pick if you're tired of seeing the same old Tesla Model Y everywhere. Plus, its efficiency is seriously impressive. The equivalent fuel economy is just 1.6 liters per 100 kilometers, about 147 MPGe, making it nearly 4 times more efficient than most hybrids out there. Fun fact, Volvo has some big green goals. By 2025, they aim to cut emissions by 40% and make EVs half of their sales, with plans to go fully electric by 2030. So the EC40 isn't just a stylish crossover, it's a key step toward a cleaner future for the auto industry.